Alrighty, so this might be the second video of the day. I'm not saying anyone was talking trash about my pencil turning. Well, that piece wasn't very stable. It is cross grained though, so what are we gonna do now? Keep going. That's what we're gonna do. I'm afraid most of that wasn't in focus. There we go. Now we got a good little hook. You gotta love stupid stuff on a Wednesday. Is today Wednesday? That's just cute. Oh no! What? I dropped it. Dude, there's no way I can find that, huh? Alright, so it's not as small, but it is hollow. Alright, so I've been going about this all wrong. Found a piece of straight grain ebony. So the little goblet, that's like 1.5 mil, and then my cool little vase, that's I think that was right at 5 mil. Let me get my fat finger out of the way. Vase is hollow. Come on now. Vase is hollow. My little old cup's not as cool as Yuval's, but it is smaller. So just playing around, Yuval. I'm not really talking trash. I'll put a link down below. His is T90 and actually looks like a cup. So I'll try again. But anyway, thanks for watching number 2. And yeah, have a wonderful day. I gotta go get work done.